If you've been wondering, can you connect OneDrive to PandaDoc? The short answer is yes, but it depends on the version of PandaDoc you're using and whether the OneDrive integration is available on your account. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to check for the integration inside PandaDoc, and if it's not available, I'll also show you the simple download and upload method you can use instead. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's jump in. First, open PandaDoc in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left sidebar and click on Extensions. This is where PandaDoc keeps extra tools and add-ons that can help you connect to other platforms. After that, click Integrations. This will open the area where you can browse supported apps and services. Now use the search bar and type Microsoft OneDrive. If OneDrive appears in the results, that means your account or plan may support a direct connection. Open the integration details and follow the on-screen prompts to connect your Microsoft account. You'll usually be asked to grant permission so PandaDoc can access files from OneDrive. Make sure you review those permissions carefully before you continue. If Microsoft OneDrive does not appear in the search results, that means a direct integration is not available for your account or version of PandaDoc. Don't worry, because you can still move files from OneDrive into PandaDoc manually in just a few steps. This is the best workaround when the integration isn't supported. To do that, open Microsoft OneDrive in a new tab and sign in with your Microsoft account. Once you're in your OneDrive storage, find the file you want to use in PandaDoc. Click Download and wait for the file to finish downloading to your computer. Make sure you know exactly where the file is saved because you'll need to find it again in just a moment. Next, go back to PandaDoc and open the document area or the Upload section, depending on what you want to do. If you're starting a new document, click Upload or Add Document. If you're working inside an existing workflow, look for the Upload option that lets you attach files. Then select the file you just downloaded from OneDrive. Click Open and PandaDoc will begin uploading the document into your workspace. After that, follow any prompts PandaDoc gives you, such as naming the file, placing it into a folder, or choosing how you want to use it in the document editor. Once the upload is complete, your OneDrive file will now be inside PandaDoc and ready to use. So while a direct OneDrive connection may or may not be available depending on your setup, you still have a reliable way to get your files into PandaDoc without much hassle. So to recap, first check Extensions, then Integrations, then search for Microsoft OneDrive inside PandaDoc. If it's available, connect it through the integration. If it isn't, simply download the file from OneDrive and upload it into PandaDoc manually. That's the fastest way to handle it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.